Good morning and welcome. Today we'll practice Kapala Bati breath. This breath helps us to clear our mind. So start by closing your eyes, noticing your breath moving in your nostrils, down your throat, down your chest, into your belly. Breathe in with me here. Let out a sigh. Again, breathe in. Bring your hands to your belly and start to feel your belly pull back from your hands. Back, back, back. Like this snapping, like your belly button is snapping back towards your spine. Okay? We're going to do this very quickly with a focus on the exhale out the nose. It looks like this. When you're finished, you can let all your breath go, hold it out, and then breathe in. Let's do 2 more rounds. Breathe in. Let your exhale power it. Let the inhale come naturally. It'll automatically happen if you keep focusing on that exhale, almost like you're a buffalo huffing your breath. When you're ready, let your breath go. Breathe in and release. And then once more. Here we go. You can imagine a light entering from above, down your crown, down your temples, your head, your shoulders, your arms, your torso, down your hips, your legs, your feet into the ground. With this light, I leave you. Namaste.